Good morning, gardeners, and today I just want to show you the trellis that I just built for my passion fruit. And if what I can do, anybody can do it. God knows I have no skills as a carpenter, as a builder, or anything like that. But as you can see, I plant her in the corner, and then I got some pieces of scrap wood that I have in the garage. I use some construction wire. Oh, yeah, it's like kind of like a wire or something like that. If you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, you can find it in the construction aisle. And I built it with those pieces of wood, and nothing too special, but it's gonna be enough to keep her just to hanging completely from the fence. And later on, I'm gonna do the same in this middle part when it's the other extra wood in there. And that's what I did because I wanted to reinforce it, but at the same time I didn't want her to climb over the fence. But nothing too complicated, guys. I got my Makita screw and drill and some nails and some screws and this stuff, how you call this, staples, cable staples. And with those staples I kind of secure the wire to the pieces of wood. And if you can tell the way I did it, I just made sure I hit a post, and then I always stay in the wood that is kind of like in the middle right here as you build the fence. That way it gives an extra support. As you can tell, that is very strong in there. But you know, she'll be able to crawl. And the plan that I have for this is make sure I keep the gears in line and don't let it go too crazy here where it ties up. Like when it doubles up, I use some zip ties that I'm gonna come back and cut those little bit. And that's about it, nothing too crazy, guys. Sometimes just go out there and do whatever you can do with the things that you have. You don't have to get that fancy, but as right now, it will give her enough room to grow. And like I told you, later on I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on top in the middle, and I will let her just go like this and then come back in the middle and try to maintain just 2 gears. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you like my content, please like and subscribe. I see you guys in the next video in the trellis to make you jealous. Bye, guys.